Today we got a couple of cars we got to look at today. Maybe actually, because I only booked one for today. I had to actually see if the other customers want me to drop by and see if I could get them set right. But if not, it's cool. I got stuff to do later on today. But for right now, we got an oil flush and a transmission drain and fill on a 2014 Chevy Malibu. We got a torque strap mount on a 18 Altima and a serpentine belt, and we got the oil pressure switch for Brittney. Let's see if we can get all of it knocked out today. All right, guys, so we're right here with the Chevy Malibu. We're about to flush out the oil and do a trans drain and fill. The car has been sitting for a couple years, has 230,000 miles on the dot, so we're just trying to get it back into good running conditions. Oh yeah, look at that trans fluid. Black, oil black. It's supposed to be like a nice little pink right there, but, or a red. It's black. It's a good thing we're doing this. All right, guys, so quick update. We did the oil flush and we did the trans drain and fill. I had told the customer that possibility the drain and fill was not going to do anything with the hard shifting. Would be a nice try just to see, because the car's been sitting for a while. Unfortunately, it still has hard shifting. Level was checked, fluid is new. I told him that there's a possibility that it just might be, your transmission might just be done, the clutches might be done. So she was aware of the outcome. Now I just got to go tell her the bad news and go from there. Unfortunately, she's gonna need a new transmission. All right, guys, so fortunately Christina took the news lightly. She didn't really take it too deep. You know, it was a possible outcome, but we're moving on to the next car, which is an oil pressure switch for Brittney. She did call me back, or she texted me back, so we about to head out over there right now, and hopefully it only takes us like 30 minutes, and then we can move on to the next job. Just waiting on Nicole to hit me back up. If Nicole hits me back up, we could get her car done today too. And if we get her car done today right now, I just got a last minute call for an alternator. We might have time to go do that today. If we do that today, it's a good day. It'll be a really good day, to be honest with you. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, so we made it to the Mazda CX-9. We're gonna get to the pressure sensors right there. I put the truck up on this lift, thinking I was gonna get it from the bottom, but I think it might be easier to get it from the top, so I might have to lower it again. All right, so we got the connector out. As you guys can see, oil has been seeping through, running up this wire, going into that connection I had showed you guys the other day. We're gonna clean this up, take out the pressure sensor and put in the new one. It's the old one. We got it out quite easily. Yeah, needs to be replaced. Low-key can't even see nothing. I don't even know how I got it in the hole first try without looking, guys. And there it is. It's a wrap. We're good to go. You guys can't even see anything. There's no reason. There's no point in me even showing you, but tools are good. It's load up. Let's get out of here. 30 minutes. That's all it took. And a little cut right there on the tap, but whatever. All right, guys, so Nicole wasn't available today, which is fine. I hit her up last minute, but we got a last minute call right here for an alternator, so we're just gonna knock this out real quick since I was already in the area. All right, so we made it right here to the alternator. As you can see, we got it right here on the Caddy XT5, I believe. It doesn't look too difficult. Actually, it looks pretty simple, so let's get to it. Hopefully we can get done 30 minutes to an hour. We'll see. All right, there's the old one. What was that, like 20, 15 minutes? Put it on. Let's go. Oh, so we just had a little issue right now. I was gonna put the new alternator in, and I took it out the box and I started looking at it, and somebody fucking swapped their old alternator and put it in the box, and when the customer grabbed it, he didn't check it. So I just let him know right now that somebody fucking threw an old alternator in there. Needs to go back and return it. So I'm just waiting on him to bring back the the new alternator. We'll put it on and be on our way, guys. So he went and got the new one. Now for sure we know it's new. Look at this, brand new. The other one had cracks back here. The stickers were all coming off. It was dirty on the inside. So let's put it on. What time is it right now? It is 1:55. Let's see how long it takes. 1:55. I'm not gonna lie, that shit was a bitch. It took me like 20 minutes to get it in the cavity. After this, it's 5 minutes, bolt it on, let's go. I'll show you when it's done. That was the hard part.